Photoshop costs $23 per month and takes years to master. These AI tools cost $0 to $10 per month and produce results that fooled 8 out of 10 professional photographers. 10 photos, each edited in both Photoshop and AI tools. Same edits: background removal, color correction, object removal, portrait retouching, and compositing. Background removal, portrait retouching, and color grading. AI tools were faster and often produced clean results. Luminar Neo's AI sky replacement was indistinguishable from manual work. Complex compositing, precise masking around hair, and creative manipulation still favor Photoshop. AI tools struggle when you need pixel-perfect control over specific areas. Side-by-side reveal of all 10 photos showing Photoshop versus AI edits, with zoomed-in detail comparison on the trickiest areas like hair and reflections. Could you tell which was AI? Share your score in the comments. Subscribe for the full AI photo editing tutorial where I show you how to get these results.